in Johannesburg, Africa, and New Delhi, India. We will see the co-location of Automotive in both Tyrexpo, India and Tyrexpo, Africa in 2018. Building new strategic partnerships between rubber technology players, the tire recycling companies and the ecosystem of players in the Indian and African tire Thank you, Mr. Lando and Mr. Wade.
I understand your question.
No, we need a safety certificate from the Government of India to import tires from abroad, right?
No, we have a BIS.
Yeah, BIS, exactly.
Yeah. See, most countries have their own standards. So let's say we are exporting in many countries. From India we export to more than 100 countries. And almost every country has their own standards. China has got CCC, Middle East has got SASO, so on and so forth. Likewise, India has got the BIS, which is, so there is nothing wrong in having that standard. And there's no, I don't see any issue with that, or I don't see that impediment to imports at all. It's just a standard. Please take the mic, I can't.
And say normally on the kind
we are an association of private companies, and India is a free marketplace, and that's good. I mean, that's good for the consumer, it's good for the stakeholders, it increases competition. What we are seeking is saying that there is an injury to the Indian tire industry through largely Chinese import of truck bus radial tires. And there is a case which is with the government, and the government is examining it, the merits and demerits of that argument, and it will give its verdict as it deems fit. That's all that we are saying. Otherwise, India is very much a free marketplace for players from around the world. The case in case, the point with truck bus radials is why the imports are 92% of imports are coming only from one country. You know, so that's the point. And we have found that there is a huge division of taxes by the retail, and therefore we believe GST is a good reform which the government has done. It should formalize the formal economy, which should expand, and this may also support the point. And maybe the manufacturers are not doing it, maybe the retailers are part of it, I don't know. But we believe that it's harming the Indian manufacturing sector, this one particular product category.
3,000 industry professionals over these 3 days, and there are about 80 to 100 participating companies who are also here. So we wish everybody a very fruitful event, and until we see you all again in 2018, I wish you all a very fruitful event. Thank you so much, and namaste. Thank you. Thanks.